All right, to get started, you just remove, well, you're gonna have to remove these two screws right here. Something with this would work because it would fit, so you don't gotta take the wheel off. And then once this is off, that's the mud flap, right? Yeah, mud flaps. Once this is off, if you don't have them, there should be two screws here. So let me just take this off first, and I'll let you know what screws you gotta remove if you don't have this. Alright, so two screws are out from here, so this should come off. There's one in the bottom, like a clip, but for now I'll show you guys. It's right here. You got one screw right there, and then one's right here, and then there's one's gonna be up here, right there, right by the edge right here. So it should be pointed upwards, and you just remove these three screws, and we'll go from there. Correction guys, just remove this clip right here, the one that's attached to the chassis here, the tank. Just these two in the middle. Don't worry about the side two for now. So the next step you got to do is take these bolts out. I think they're 10 millimeters. Take them out on each side, and once they're out, we'll go from there. All right, to easily take this part out, this plastic piece, just remove the liner from the side. And if you push in from the bottom, it's a bit, yeah, you can't do it with one hand, but you just come in with a plastic piece. I'll put this on Amazon, the link description below. So it just pretty much like clips down here. It kind of comes out. There you go. So it comes right off. Pull a little bit and push this in. Kind of go inwards. These are the clips right there. So you keep coming out. And then that's it, and then we'll do the other side as well. And then we'll start right here on this area. There's a few more clips. So you guys can see it, bring closer. The clips are all out on the bottom, so it's good. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. But either way, this bumper's off. You just pull it right to yourself, and it comes right off easily. And to remove the reflectors, there's 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. Take that out easily. But for the exhaust, to remove the exhaust tips, right? I'm gonna show you guys. This is where the one bolt is here, one is right there, one is right here. To take this thing off. And yeah, for the clips, when I was talking about removing the bumper, you just remove this, and that one, the bumper comes off. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and connect the reflectors right now. So I want to show you guys real quick, more details. That's out. So right now the next step is take these off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll get to it. One. That's 2. That's 3. Comes right out. Diffuser, where the light actually works in the back too. It's tinted. We're gonna install that, and that's how it looks. It's very aggressive, guys. And since we have the bumper off already, what we're gonna do is that's how it's gonna fit. Since the bumper's already off, we're gonna take the bumper off. You just need to take these two off, the inner ones. But this one, we're gonna take off this one right now. And what else? Yeah, we're gonna have to take off possibly. Yeah, we'll just take these off too, because the diffuser is gonna go all the way around. You see the clips? So it's gonna go into these clips in the back. And the screw right here in the back, we have to take this off. So we're gonna reuse it on this one right there. And yeah, since we have access from the back, we could easily remove the piece. Where is it? Let me show you guys what's gonna come out. So this piece right here is gonna come out pretty much, and the sides, once the screw comes off. So we're gonna go ahead and work on that. So there you go. From the inside, it's easier. All you do is, well, he's pulling it out, so all you have to do is push this outwards. There you go, see? And this one right here, pulling? There you go, that's out. Not right?
Pushing?
Pull out, yeah.
Let me get a longer one.
Try it, pull it. It's alright.
There we go.
And then hold up, pull it. See, it easily comes out the back. Pull it.
Oh, you're all the way there. Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, you're still not there yet?
Nope. Hold on.
I think in the middle. Yeah, there's one in the middle. It's alright. But yeah, that's how it is from the outside. Yeah, just pull out, bro. You're good. There, pull out. That's it. Piece is out. Now we gotta take this piece out right now. I'm installing the lights. The rear brake light right there. The wires that it's already attached to stay black, yellow, and red. And that's how the lights look. Pretty dope. It'll look nice. So we'll go ahead and install the diffuser. It's kind of dirty, but we got nothing else to do. We gotta do it. That's going up. Now it's about to rain, so we gotta be quick, guys. We already have this plugged in, rewired and everything. So hold off to that. So right now we're gonna use the tail lights. Push it outwards, comes off easily. What you're gonna take off is this brake light right here, the main switch. You're trying to drop it. Comes off easily. So hold it there. I'm gonna grab the plug and play. Hold it. So we're gonna plug this in that comes with it, and we're gonna go male and female, of course. It's about to rain, so we're trying to make it quick. And we're gonna connect this. We're gonna put the taillight back in. From there, make sure it's good on the side. It's on top of the frame here, and it matches here. So we're gonna grab the light with the wire and have it on the bottom, so we have some room for it. Some more. Okay, that's good. All right. These are light. I ran the light up and I connected it up here. We used the same clip that we were using it for our cord, and then so I kind of chipped off the light. I wired it together, put some tape on it for now, temporarily, and you can see it came off a little bit. Put a really tiny piece in. You can see right there all matched up. And so I can show you guys the bottom light and then the cord lights. Go ahead, press unlock. Nice. And I guess the car's dirty from the top, but whatever. Hold up.
Yeah.
I'll show them real quick.
Let me turn on the hazard.
Yeah, so I can show them the whole actual.
See?
That's the hazards. Oh, that's nice. Hazards. This is great. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, do so. And that's about it. Subscribe, and I hope this video helped you guys out. Yeah, that looks nice. It's perfect. It works. It works.
The long day's work.